Hi guys, welcome back to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to use the Instagram voice messages on your DMs. It is quite simple, so let's just go ahead and get started. So you want to head over to your Instagram app and find the DMs, which is in the top right corner of when you get onto Instagram. Just go ahead and select whoever you would like. I'll just do this for example, Mr. Beast. You then want to go down to your message. You can either click the little microphone in the bottom right or click it right beside the little text box. You can then click it and then it'll start right away. If you ever want to trash it, go ahead and click the trash can. And then if you want to keep going, and once you're done, just go ahead and click the arrow to the right. So I'll go ahead and trash this one, but I'll just do it again. So I'll just do it for a second, click the arrow, and it'll be sent. You can then play it and see what it sounds like. If you don't like it, you can also hold it down for a little bit and click unsend, and it will disappear and you can just redo it. And that's how you would send them voice messages on DM on Instagram. So I hope this video did help you. If it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Try and reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I cannot do it without your help. Just want to say thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one.